black buck bit the big black bear, but the big black bear bit the big black buck back. When you write copy, you have the right to copyright the copy you write. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy, was he? How many cookies could a good cook cook if a good cook could cook cookies? A good cook could cook as much cookies as a good cook who could cook cookies. How many cans can a cannibal nibble if a cannibal can nibble cans? As many cans as a cannibal can nibble if a cannibal can nibble cans. I've got a date at 7:45. I'll see you at the gate, so don't be late. I thought of thinking of thanking you. I thought of thinking of thanking you. 1-1 was a racehorse. 2-2 was 1-2. 1-1-1-1 race. 2-2-1-1-2. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where is the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked? Seven sleek, slimy snails slowly sliding southward. 7 sleek, slimy snails slowly sliding southward. Chicken in the car and the chicken can go. That's the way you spell Chicago. How can a clam cram in a clean cream can? The 33 thieves thought that they thrilled the throne throughout Thursday. If 2 witches would watch 2 watches, which witch would watch which watch? If you understand, say understand. If you don't understand, say don't understand. But if you understand and say don't understand, how do I understand that you understand? Whether the weather be fine, or whether the weather be not. Whether the weather be fine, or whether the weather be not. Whether the weather be fine, or whether the weather be not. Whether the weather be cold, or whether the weather be hot. We'll weather the weather whether we like it or not. Betty bought some butter, but the butter Betty bought was bitter. So Betty bought some better butter, and the better butter Betty bought was better than the bitter butter Betty bought before. I bought a bit of baking powder and baked a batch of biscuits. I brought a big basket of biscuits back to the bakery and baked a basket of big biscuits. Then I took the big basket of biscuits and the basket of big biscuits and mixed the biscuits with the basket of biscuits that was next to the big basket and put a bunch of biscuits from the basket into a biscuit mixer and brought the basket of biscuits and the box of mixed biscuits and the biscuit mixer to the bakery and opened a tin of sardines. When a doctor doctors a doctor, does the doctor doing the doctoring doctor as the doctor being doctored wants to be doctored? Or does the doctor doing the doctoring doctor as he wants to doctor? Mary Mac's mother is making Mary Mac marry me. My mother's making me marry Mary Mac. Will I be so merry when Mary is taking care of me? Will I always be so merry when I marry Mary Mac? Out in the pasture, the nature watcher watches the catcher, while the catcher watches the pitcher who pitches the balls. Whether the temperature is up or whether the temperature is down, the nature watcher, the catcher, and the pitcher are always around. The pitcher pitches, the catcher catches, and the watcher watches. So whether the temperature rises or whether the temperature falls, the nature watcher just watches the catcher who is watching the pitcher who is watching the balls. Four furious friends fought for the phone. Four furious friends fought for the phone. I wish to wish the wish you wish to wish, but if you wish to wish the witch wishes, I won't wish the wish you wish to wish. Green glass globes glow greenly. Green glass globes glow greenly. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. There's a sandwich on the sand which was sent by a sane witch. There's a sandwich on the sand which was sent by a sane witch. Knife and a fork, bottle and a cork, that's the way we spell New York. I saw Susie sitting in a shoe shine shop. Where she sits, she shines, and where she shines, she sits. I saw Susie sitting in a shoe shine shop. Where she sits, she shines, and where she shines, she sits. Can you can a can as a canagan can a can? Can you can a can as a canagan can a can? Can you can a can as a canagan can a can?